All right, Packet people, welcome back. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to decrypt QUIC. That's really important because so much within QUIC is encrypted. We don't get a whole lot of information out of the headers. So it's really important, especially when we're troubleshooting QUIC or learning how it works, that we are able to decrypt it. So let's get to it. All right, so here on my screen, I'm going to show you how to do this in Kali Linux. Now that makes it pretty simple for us to be able to decrypt QUIC. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to have to capture those SSL keys. Now to do that, it makes it pretty simple on me. All I got to do is I just need to export the SSL keylog file, and then I give it a location to go. So in this case, I just said go ahead and go to the CRIS directory, SSL keylog file.log. So once I do this, the Chromium browser, if I open up Chrome, it's going to allow me to store the session keys for those QUIC connections. Remember that QUIC is just built over TLS 1.3. So let's go ahead and see how this works. So here I'm just going to come over here, but this time I'm going to do Chromium --no-sandbox. But what that does allows Chrome to start up, and then it's going to begin to store those keys in the SSL keylog. Now, at this point, what I also want to do is I want to start Wireshark because I want to be able to capture the packets for this session. So I'm just going to fire up Wireshark and let's go ahead and get it running. Okay, I'm going to select my interface. So now I'm ready. I'm storing those keys in the SSL keylog and I'm about to capture some packets. So let's go ahead and hit YouTube. All right, so over here on the right-hand side, you can see that I'm already capturing, and if you look close, I'm already decrypting QUIC, and that's because in Wireshark, I already pointed Wireshark over to that SSL keylog. Now to do that, I'm just going to go full screen here. So all I got to do is go over to Edit, come down to Preferences, and just the same as before, go to Protocols. I'm just going to hit the T key and head down to TLS, and from there, I just point my pre-master secret log file name to that keylog file. So once I've done that, I should be able to see QUIC, and not just QUIC. If you notice here, I can see HTTP3 as well. So now I've got decrypted QUIC, which is a whole lot easier to work with when I'm troubleshooting and learning QUIC. So this is just a quick video on how you can capture those session keys and decrypt QUIC.